In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Gamma AI watermark. If you've been creating decks or docs in Gamma and you notice a small Made with Gamma mark on your exports or shared links, that's the default watermark on the free plan. The cleanest, most reliable way to remove it is to upgrade your workspace, and I'll walk you through exactly how to do that so your presentations look polished and professional. First, open your browser and go to gamma.app. Make sure you're on a modern browser and that you're signed into the workspace where you create your content. Once the home page or your dashboard loads, give it a couple of seconds to fully render so all the navigation items are visible. This helps you quickly find the upgrade options without clicking around. Next, look for the option labeled Upgrade for More AI. You'll typically see it in the top navigation or along the sidebar, depending on your screen size. When you click it, Gamma will show a comparison of plans and what they unlock. This is where you can confirm that removing the watermark is included with paid tiers alongside other benefits, like higher generation limits and advanced AI features. The wording on this button might vary slightly over time, but it will always guide you to the plan selection page. From there, choose Upgrade to Plus. The Plus plan is the straightforward choice if your main goal is to remove the watermark and get a more generous set of AI features without committing to a larger team plan. Follow the on-screen checkout to complete your upgrade. Pricing and billing cadence, like monthly or annual, will be clearly listed so you can pick what fits your workflow. After you finish upgrading, return to your workspace. Any new exports and shared links you generate from this point forward will no longer carry the Gamma watermark. If you still see it on content you created earlier, just re-export or regenerate the share link so it reflects your new plan. A quick browser refresh can help the account status update, and if you use multiple accounts, make sure you're working inside the upgraded workspace. That's all there is to it. Go to Gamma, open the upgrade flow, and choose Plus. This is the intended support-friendly way to remove the watermark while also unlocking more AI power for your projects. Thanks for watching and enjoy sharing your polished watermark-free work.